haven't had the opportunity to do one of these in a little while, and this is a nice one. 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car, let's get to the good stuff right off the bat. A little over 11,000 original miles on this one. Best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Well taken care of, low mile beauty here. Look at the reflection off the hood with the Cadillac sign hanging on the wall. Looks like it's right there on the hood. Does not appear that there's been any paint work done in this car. I'm going to slip up here to the front, let you get a good close look at the front fascia grille. Does not appear to be much as far as nicks or scratches or say rock chips in this case up front. And stock does not look like a lot has been changed on this one. I will tell you a little bit about the exhaust when I get around to the back here though. All right, underneath the hood, of course, LT1 5.7 liter. That is paired up with a 4-speed automatic with overdrive. Back in, I believe, about 92 or 93 is when they were toying around with the idea of making an Impala SS. And they took a Caprice Classic, put 5-spoke wheels on it, up the horsepower of the engine, dropped that LT1 in when they brought it to production, and that was kind of the original prototype of the Impala SS. Now, the one way you can tell that these are a true Impala SS, somebody didn't take a Caprice and try to make it look like an Impala SS, is that WX3 RPO code on the tag in the trunk. And guess what? This is a true one. No doubt about that. You can see it in the still pictures, and still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a look at the stock Impala wheels. Do not see any curb rash, anything like that. Up and down the passenger side. Sorry about the glare a little bit coming off that black, but take a look at the finish, how that car looks up and down the passenger side. Now, I did roll the windows up so you can see that. They are smoked rather dark. I would check with your state and local laws just to make sure what your window tint percentage is. These are dark, folks, so they may not be legal in your state or area. Just want to disclose that. Again, check out the rear stock wheel. No curb rash on that one either. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There'll be pictures of the trunk, the interior, the engine bay, all on our website, and I'll get to that here in just a second again. Now, the one thing you're going to notice, no tailpipes coming out the rear. Previous owner did have the exhaust dump behind the rear axle. We are bringing that back to the way it should be, and there will be underside pictures of this vehicle showing the underside when that is completed. I just wanted to get this one listed, get it out there so you could see it. So the rear tailpipes will be continued out from the rear like they should. They're not going to dump behind the rear axle. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and check up and down this driver's side too. Let you take a look at paint condition. Look at this front wheel too. No curb rash on that one. And look at the reflection, folks. I want to see all the way to the front door. There it is. So again, paint shows very nice on this car. You can see the rows of cars behind me. Driver rear wheel, also no curb rash. All right, trying to keep that glare off the camera. Sometimes it's a little tougher with the black, especially when you got really shiny black paint. All right, of course, 1995, you'd have the bucket seats, shifter on the column. Equipment-wise, power steering, power brakes, AC, of course. And here we go on your power seat, power windows, power locks, power mirror, and you do have power seat on both sides, FYI. Tilt and cruise, Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out the exact miles. Let you hear how it sounds. Doesn't really have crazy exhaust on it right now. It's just the minus the tailpipes, so it may quiet down just a tad. Oh, sorry about the glare there too. There's your miles, 11,331. Again, that is original and confirmed. No warning indicators on the dash as far as check engine light, warning lights, anything like that. AM, FM, CD, stereo. Check out the dash. It's not sat out in the sun, sun-baked, anything like that. Wow, those miles, 11,331. Gotta be a pretty low mile example of what's left out there in these cars. Headliner, all intact and looking good. These are cool, comfortable bucket seats in these too. What an interior. And again, that's basically what you'd expect wear-wise out of a car with this kind of miles on it. Let's take a look at the back seat too. Carpeting, seats, door panels, all in nice shape. Let you hear it. And that might mellow out just a tad when you put the tailpipes on. It's not going to change it a lot. All right, let's slip up to the front of this. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. Let's take a look at that LT1.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, if you've watched my videos before, you know I like to take a peek at that hood liner, especially on these later model ones. Look at how clean that is. There's no road salt or anything like that dried on there, really no grime or debris, which reflects miles and the fact that this car has probably not been driven in much for inclement weather at all, maybe a little bit of rain, if that. There's that LT1. Reliable engine, smooth running, and yet powerful too, considering this car, 1995, just about 30 years old. Wow, in what condition. Looking for a nice example of this body style in an Impala SS. Here you go, 1995. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, do not see any paintwork on this car. We do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You'd like somebody else to come take a look at this. Make sure it's everything I say it is and everything you see in the pictures. Feel free to send them on in to check it out. If you can't make it yourself, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.